Put that gasket on there, and what do you know? More than enough room. See? And before I move on, let's see, I had something cooking in here. Let's see. Oh, I forgot to put some Easy Out on this thing. Specially made mold. Gotta make sure it had enough rigidity. And then electricity. Okay. It's trying to come out. And that. It's been in there for about 2 hours. Should be pretty close to curing out. Alright. Yeah. I'll do some videos on this down the road, so you all can see what I'm up to. Piece de resistance. Back to the block. Free bird, yeah. Okay, see, now that's music. Got it? What I'm going to do here is raise the old devil up. And I've already drawn one line across this parallel in the back. So because this block of plastic is so irregular, I've decided to go ahead and arbitrarily do the best I could and laid out a line to go by. And I'll make one flat surface, and then I will square the rest of it up from this flat surface. And to line up my cut, I'm cheating. I know this is cheating. Tough bean bags. But I'm using the very edge of the end mill because that's as far out as it's going, and I'm getting it perpendicular to the line. What I'm really trying to do is check its path. Sometimes I'll even just cut it down so that it makes contact with my block, and I'll drag it just a wee bit. I'll lock in that lateral position, and then I just check it. Nope, too much. Anyway, you get the idea. Question is, do I get the idea? There we are. I think that's high enough. So from here I can see how much I gotta move that. Yeah, it's a ways off. Not too far. A few thousandths of an inch. You probably can't see that in the video. So what I'll do is loosen this end just a little bit. And give it a tap. Maybe a little bit more than a tap. Close for government work. Not too tight. I'll drag it back over that original position and see if I have to change the back end. Just checking my power, and I think it's going to work. I think we're good. I'll double check. Everything's in. Power on. Power on. There we go. That mill end a little lower. You can see I've already got my parallels underneath, so it's raised it up off the deck. If it hasn't done it enough, I'll have done all of that for nothing, because then I'm going to have to redo it. Hopefully, I'll give myself enough room. I know some of you guys that are machinists are saying, man, he's going to try to take away too much. Could be. We'll see. I think I got it. I'll try it now. Give me some RPMs. Nice easy flow. It's taking a bunch, but you know what? This is plastic. Alright, see you in a little bit. Alright, let's get a square on this, and I'll find me a good spot to draw my next line for cutting. And I think that'll probably leave me plenty of block. Alright, so if that's close, we'll know it. That looks like a lot, you know? I think I'll take a little less than that. I know. Leaving a crazy little pen mark on there. Not going to hurt anybody. Yeah, that's better. Okay. We'll take care of that. Okay, there we are. We've got the block, the blank that is, machined and ready to roll. And just to make sure, we've got our gasket. We'll put that gasket on there, and what do you know? More than enough room. See? A couple of days we'll get in there and cut down this one and the orange one, so the red block is ready to machine. See you next time.